Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're doing okay. Oh, hot flush again. It's hot flush. It's horrible. Look, look at that. Oh, it's getting old. Oh, it's getting old malarkey. It's getting old malarkey. I don't like it. I don't like it. I wanted to share with you today. I've got an order going out to Tiffany in New York. Tiffany, if you have found me through YouTube, thank you so much for your order. Thank you so much for your lovely order. I'm going to get it packed and sent out, and I'll take it to the post office this afternoon. Just goes to show that there I was worrying that putting my first class postage up to £4. I think this order is costing £17 postage. £17 postage. I don't know what I worry about. I know I announced on here about the postage. I was worried because I had to put up to £4, but for first class. Second does stay the same. So anyway, I do hope you're all okay. I wanted to show you this order because I think if you're starting out to make jewellery, it's quite a good little order to see. I don't know the customer that bought it. She may not be new. She may not be new to making jewellery, but I just thought I would share with you what she's bought. So let me show you this lovely order. I haven't put any lights on, so I hope you can see. So we start off with some tiger tail, and unusual, we've got some white tiger tail. Usually we use the grey, but it comes in lots of different colours. So this is white and gold. We've got some gold 6mm stardust beads, and we've also got some silver. We've got some tiny crimp beads. These are 4 or 5mm, and these are a mixed pack of 25. So if you are new to making jewellery, you can buy small quantities, which you will see as I go ahead now. We've got some daisy spacer beads. These are 4mm, these are silver plated. And we've got some gold, these are 5mm, gold plated. And these go in between your beads. Decorative. We've got some more spacer beads. These are gold, and these are available in gold, silver and bronze. I've used these for my bracelets and I love them. I'll show some photos of some bracelets I made with these. We've got some gold screw-in pins, and you may have seen me before when you've got your pendants with the hole. You've got the hole on the top, or you can make a little hole in the top, and then you would screw these in, so you can make your own pendants. You can buy the small glass bottles with the corks on the top, and they fill them with gemstone chips. So that's those. These are, I was looking everywhere for these this morning. I looked high and low, and I was just about to refund. But if you can imagine, I was taking all these different beads, holding them up to the light, because these are glow in the dark beads. And I was holding them up to the light, and then I'd be looking at like this, trying to see if they were lighting, if they were glowing. But these are great for Halloween, and I also put these in my Halloween bead mixes, which I'm actually now, I've just started adding to it. My Halloween bead mix is the best bead mix that I do. I mean, I do like Christmas and things, but Halloween, I can't get enough of them. So I'm going to really do a big one, really do a large one this year. We've got some 6mm glass rondelle beads, and these are yellow and gold. We've got some red heart beads. These are acrylic, great for Valentine's Day. We've got some imitation jade and these are a light green. These are 8mm. We've got some 6mm, that's 6mm, yeah, 6mm mixed pearl beads. They're like greens and chocolate, green, chocolate and lime, and green, chocolate, lime and mint. These are lava beads. Again, you can buy them individually, green, yellow and brown. And these are good, you can actually, they will soak up, so you can put aromatherapy oils onto them. We've got some butterfly beads, acrylic. We've got some opalite beads in 6mm and 4mm. We've got some platinum wire guardians, and these are very, I've done videos before. I'll link a video down below actually about using wire guardians, and they will make your jewellery last longer. You don't have to use them with wire, you can use them with elastic as well. And those are a really great addition to have. Again, I sell them in packs of 25, so you don't have to buy huge amounts. Then we've got some Millefiori beads, very pretty patterns. And then we've got 2 sets of chakra beads. Again, here's a mixture. So we got the, remember I showed you the angelite beads, again tiger's eye, Persian, these pink are Persian jade, and let me just check, brown tiger, angelite, Persian jade, yep. And these we've got tourmaline, the dragon vein, blue tiger. So we've got, those are blue tiger's eye, same as the brown ones. These are the tourmaline beads, and these are the dragon agate beads, also known as dragon vein agates. So I'm going to pack that order now, and then that will be flying over to New York. I always love to know, I always love it how far my beads go. I mean, they've definitely gone to Australia. If you want some quality supplies, check out the website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. If you've got this far, please give the video a thumbs up. If you could leave a comment, it just helps the algorithm share my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.